Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa, and today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the Ofra and Samantha March collab. Let me open it up and show you guys. I'm like super excited. Alright, there we go. So that's what it looks like inside. And I also have a new, to me, foundation and powder. So we're just going to go through and play with some stuff and have fun. If you like to see all that and hang out with me, then just keep watching. Alright, first I'm going to take off my glasses. And first we're going to go into the L'Oreal Luminate Glotion for our primer. And I already did my brows. I used the Hourglass Arch in Warm Brunette that I got in my Boxy Charm this month. That's the second time that I've used it, and so far I like it pretty well. It takes a little bit getting used to the shape of the pencil, because it's not round, it's more of an oblong shape. So this is the new foundation I got. It's the number 7 Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Serum Foundation with broad spectrum SPF 15. Now this is something that Jessica Braun always talks about, but it's kind of, you can only get it at Target, and I got it at Walgreens online. So I think both of them, I think Target you can only get it online as well. But I finally bit the bullet and went online and bought it, and they actually had it buy one get one 50% off. So I actually have the concealer and the pressed powder on its way, but it hasn't gotten here yet. Alright, let's go ahead and start putting this on. Alright, and I'm going to go in with my Sonia Kashuk brush. The only thing about this is there's not a whole lot of swatches and stuff to look up. So I'm not sure if I got a shade that matches me. That's not too bad of a shade match. Next I'm going into the Covergirl Concealer. I've been kind of playing around with this, and so far I like it. It covers well and looks good. Alright, now I have the number 7 Perfect Light Loose Powder. And I'm going to use that under my eyes and on my face. It actually comes with a little powder puff that's cute. And I'm just going to put a little bit on my forehead and down my nose, around my mouth. I'm just going to try to lightly dust some powder around the perimeter of my face because I don't want the bronzer to be getting patchy. Now going into the Collab, I'm taking River and I'm just going to swirl my brush all in there. I'm going under the chin. And down the neck. Alright, now we're going into Chiclet. And it looks like that. I'm going over the nose. Because we gotta look sun-kissed and sunburnt. And by the way, I'm just tapping into these a couple of times because they are super pigmented just like the highlighter. So, alright, so now for the Start Inspired highlighter. And I think it's got Star Island and Pillow Talk, I think was what she said. But we're just going to do both of them together. And I'm just going to put some over my eyebrow without going back in. Just take what's on my brush out of my eyebrow. And then I'm going to go in just a little bit and go down my nose. Cupid's bow and chin. Now what I'm going to do for the eyes is I'm going to take a little bit of the matte side of the River bronzer and I'm going to put that in my crease using this e.l.f. blending brush, eye blending brush from the Retro Paradise collection. And I'm going to take Star Island not the pink one, the other one. And I'm going to put it on my lid, just all over my lid. Alright, now I'm going to take Essence Lash Princess, and I'm going to put that on my eyelashes. Now I'm going to put on Story on my lip. I'm going to spray a little bit of the Milani Make It Dewy spray. Alright, and I'm going to put on the lip gloss in Millie. I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand and then get it on my finger and just dot it on. So I don't get my wand all dirty. Alright, well this is the final look with the Samantha March and Ofra collab. I had so much fun playing with it today. I really love the bronzers and the blush. I'm going to have to learn to be a little less heavy-handed with these two, because sometimes I can be heavy-handed with my blush and my bronzer, as we know. But I'm going to have to be a little less heavy-handed with these because they are super pigmented, just like their highlighters. I should have known their highlighters are so pigmented. I should have known that their blushes and bronzers would be too. But I really love the lip gloss duo as well. I think it looks very pretty on the lips, especially with the whole eye look that we went with the bronzer and the highlighters. Also, the number 7 serum lift and illuminate triple action serum foundation, I really like it. I think it looks really beautiful. There's nothing, I mean, my pores, you can't hardly see my pores. It's not emphasizing my pores like some foundations do. It's sitting just gorgeous on my skin. I know on the box I was reading it says your best looking skin, instantly smoother, firmer, and more radiant. Lines and wrinkles appear reduced. Skin looks firmer and more lifted. Skin tone looks more even. And when I read that, I was thinking, yeah, right, we'll see about that. And I really do think that my pores look a lot less emphasized. And I mean, my wrinkles, I don't know, I guess my wrinkles don't look as bad, but I really like this foundation. I'm going to keep trying it and make sure that the wear test goes good and all that stuff. And also the powder I really liked. I think it really softened everything, kind of gave a little bit of an airbrushed look to my face, so I really like that as well. I think that's everything that was new to me and everything we needed to go over. But I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel and become a part of our family here in our little happy corner of the internet. Also, I would love for you to ring the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. I try to upload at least twice a week, but a lot of times it's more 3 or 4 or more, just whenever I feel like it, pretty much. So, which is all the time lately. So so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I guess I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.